2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.